In this video I will discuss how to compress and decompress the files using Unix command and also how to create an archive. So the first case we'll try to discuss how to compress the file using the gzip command. So just go and check the files, what all the files are present over here. So there are two files, book1.pdf and book2.pdf. So I try to compress these files using the gzip command. So let us at the first we try to see what is the word count of this. So -c, so book1.pdf. So this is having 75,68,344 characters are present in the book1.pdf. So let us try to compress this using gzip. So book1.pdf. So let us try to see the file size now. So now the new file is created. So that is nothing but book1.pdf.gz. So wc -c book1.pdf.gz. So this is having the count around 72 lakhs. So this has been compressed. The size has been reduced. So this is advantage of using the gzip command. So now I want to extract this. I want to compress this thing again. Gunzip command, gunzip -r. So what is the name of the file here? So it is book1.pdf.gz. So this is exactly the reverse process. Now we can check this. The book1 is present, again it has been decompressed. So this is advantage of using the gzip command. So now we try to discuss how to create an archive. Archive is nothing but combining more than one file together in a single file. So using tar command we will do this. Tar -cvf. So name of the archive. So I can give something like .tar. So it should end with the tar here. So what are the files that I want to create for the archive? So book1.pdf and it is book2.pdf. So this is just check the archive is created or not. Yes, it is created here. So now I want to extract from this particular archive. So how to extract from this particular archive? So -cvf. So myarc.tar. So how to now what has it is rejecting now. So because I have to use some other, but make use of tar -xpf myarc.tar. So now it is extracted. So this is the way of extracting from the archive. Now just check it out. This book1 and book2 are being extracted from this particular tar file. Now how to create a zip file using this. So how to create a zip file using zip command. Zip name of the zip. You can give it as zip.zip. So you have the particular files that has to be compressed. So it is. So now it is like archiving as well as compression. So it will do both the things. It will archive as well as it will compress. The zip command uses. So this is the use of the zip command. So we will try to see the how much percentage is compressed. So use unzip command. So unzip -v. So name of the zip here. So myzip.zip. So you can see that how much it is compressed. So it was initially 21. Now it has been reduced to 26% of compression has been achieved. I try to again decompress this. So using unzip minus, you don't use any command here, don't use any option here. So it is myzip.zip. So say yes for everything. So this is what I extracted from the zip file. So let us check this whether the files are present. Yes, the files are present. And this is what the use of the zip command. So this is what I have discussed in this video. Thanks for watching.